Good evening to all. Here, today's topic is string methods. We'll apply the same mechanism that we have applied in case of character wrapper class. From the method definition, we'll extract everything. So let's start. The method name is length. So what exactly it is telling about? It says that using this method we can get number of characters in a string. That means we can create or we can design it like this. With the help of this method we can get number of characters in a string. In order to get number of characters in a string, we have to take the help of length method. Like this, so many mechanisms are there. Is it clear? Now I have given few mechanisms to you. You create your own definition. As I said that this method, using this method we can get what? We can get number of characters. So this is the key term that I am going to follow in my definition. Rest is our own creativity. Okay, I'm repeating again. With the help of this method we can get how many characters are there in a string. In order to get how many characters are there in a string, we'll take the help of length method. Length method allows us to get number of characters in a string like this. Can anybody create the definition of his own? Create your own. Create your own definition. Let me see how many of you can able to do this. Length can be used to get number of characters a string contains. Excellent. Good. Subhranshu, Ansuman, Ayushman Sahu. You do one thing. Beside that, you write 9th or 10th. Let me see the capability. How many of 9ths can able to do? How many 10ths can able to do? Beside your answer, write down 9th or 10th. For the first time, to keep a track. Beside your answer, Subhranshu, beside your answer, to keep a track. Who has given? What he has given? Soham Tripathi. Length is helps us to get number of characters a string contains. Swagat. With the help of length method, we can found out, we can find out number of characters. Number of character is in a string object. Good. Pragjyoti, if we want to get the number of characters in the string, then we will use length method. Good, Pragjyoti. Karunya, when we want to get how many characters are present in a string, we have to use length method. Beautiful. Nalini, length method is used to get number of characters in a string. Good job, Nalini. Rajesh, length is required when we need to find the number of characters available in a string. Nice answer, Rajesh. Niyati, it is used when we want to know number of characters a string has. Beautiful, Niyati. May I know your name and class? OD. Length, this method is used to show the number of characters present in a string object. Good answer. Aswit, length is used to get number of characters in a string object class. 10. Good. Sagat, why only string object? Because string is a class. Because Ayushman, string is a class, is not a predefined method. So that's why from the object we'll get. Understood, Ayushman? Suvransu, is it necessary it can have? It must be a string. It must be a string. I am Arnab, sir. Okay, Arnab. Okay, fine. Next part. This method is used to get number of characters in a string. It's quite easy for all of you. Syntax is int, length is the function name, and it is empty. Now from this we'll extract all the rest part of the question. Is it clear? I am repeating again. In the previous live class, we learned from the syntax we can extract so many other points. Now try to extract those points. Try to extract those points and write down 9th or 10th beside it. Write 9th and 10th beside it. What are the extra points that we can generate from the syntax? Quick, quick. It has already been told you how we can create the theoretical points from the function name, from the syntax also. Syntax is helpful in two ways. It will avoid syntax error. You will not commit syntax error if you will know the correct syntax. Number two, you can write down the theory. Okay, we got the answer. Length method is used by the user to get the number of characters. Class 9. Good. Joseph. Soumya Ranjan. Good, Soumya. Because length is associated with string object. Its return type is integer. Good, Sitaram. It is us. What do you mean by it is us? Okay, it contains parameter if any. It contains parameter if any. Wrong, Nalini. Can you able to see? It is empty. It is empty, Nalini. It is empty. Karunya, the method length does not take any parameter. Good, good Karunya. Its return type is int because it shows the number of characters present in it. Beautiful, beautiful Arnav. Day by day, your standard is increasing. It takes one parameter. Number two, the parameter must be of type string. Number three, its return type is int. Good. It takes parameter. No, may I know your class? Swati Prem. It identifies the number of character present in the string, okay, object and store it in int variable. Ninth, Subhranshu. Good answer. It returned integer value. Good. It does not take any parameter. Fine. Good. Good. Everyone is giving perfect answer. So here regarding parameter, this method does not takes any parameter. You can see quite clearly from here that it is empty parenthesis. Is it clear? Okay. Next part, return type. Return type of the method is integer. As already one of the ninth classes nicely given the answer because it counts number of characters and returns it. That means obviously the return type will be integer. Okay. Next part. Here it says that system.out.print java.length. Here it can be a constant, it can be a string object also. So with the help of constant, I'm using this length method. This example tells that we can use the string constant. We can also use the string object also. So what will be my output? What will be my output? Okay, we got the answer 4. Yes, it is correct answer because it contains 4 characters. 1, quite easy. 2, 3 and 4. We have 4 characters. Excellent. Output will be only 1. Question number 2. Here I am using string object. Look at Ayushman. String is the class name. Because of that reason, S is capital. ST is an object. If it is class, obviously ST will be an object. And I am assigning a string constant to it. That means ST will store try this. Now we can use string object over here. Dot length. What will be the output? No problem. Even if you have joined late, give quick answer. May I know your class? Swati Prem. 271428. 1428. Yes. Space is included. Yes. Everyone has given correct answer. Swati Prem, class 10th. Okay, no problem. Which school? Look at over here. Space is also counted over here. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. Space is 4. T is 5. H is 6. I is 7. S is 8. So its length is 8. Number of character is 8. Okay, next question. Vincent. Okay. String st is equal to Java st dot length plus a. Is it going to generate error? Because this side I am having integer and this side I am having character constant. So is it possible to add? If yes, how? If no, why? Acha, occurs. Got it, occurs. Got it. 101 because the length returns 4. Yes, the length is returning 4. After that, which is going to be added with the ASCII of lowercase a. Lowercase a. What is the ASCII of lowercase a, Swagat? Acha, Rajesh has given. Lowercase a is 97. 97 plus 4. We got 101. Acha, 101. Let me see what about others. Question number 3. 101 will be yes. Got it. Rajesh. 4a. 4a. Okay. Pravanjan 497. Nalini 97. 97. 4a. 101. May I know who is this Dixita? Okay, we got the answer. So don't understand this part. Okay, I will explain. Okay, I will explain. Let me clear this one so that I can explain you clearly. Okay. What is the length of the string? It is 4. You can count very well. Everyone has given 4. It is correct answer is given by 4. Now when I am adding it with a character constant, so addition will be performed in an integer form. So character A ASCII value is 97. 97 plus 4 is equivalent to 101. So my advice to all of you, those who are 10th, prepare the questions like this so that you can able to score high in your examination. Are you all convinced with me? If you'll prepare, if we can prepare the questions like this, will not get confused in the examination. Those who are feeling that questions are good and answers are explanations are good, I don't think I should ask you to give thumb up because 35 students are there and only I got 15 likes. That indicates you don't like the classes and the questions. Next, charAt method. We are all familiar with this. It says that character at and it's taking an integer value inside this. That means at this index position. So the complete definition is like this. With the help of this method, we can extract, that means we can get a character from the string. From which? From the string at a given index position. So these are the underlying key points that it helps us to extract. What it is going to extract? It is going to extract a character. It will extract a character from a string. From a string. Now, from which position? From the index position that is provided by the user. Everyone understood? What are the key points and how we can use these key points to create our own definition. Okay, so apply the same mechanism. Apply the same mechanism, give like, then give your definition. Yes, create your own definition quickly. Let me see how many of you can able to do this. As I said that create your own definition. Which one I will explain? It takes an integer type parameter. बेटा प्रभंजन पहले आप डिफाइन करो उसको, उसके बाद सराउंडिंग पॉइंट जाएंगे, पहले डिफाइन करो. charAt int method is used to obtain a character from any position from the string object, not any position, given position. Subhranshu, given position, not any position. Helps us to extract the given character. Not given character, Som Tripathi. Extract a character from the given index position of a string. It is used to get the string from the user data. No, it is not going to give you the string. It is going to give a character. I have underlined over here. It is helps us to get a character. Extract what? Again I am repeating. Again I am repeating. Misunderstood by a few students. Let me explain you again. The key points over here. We are extracting or we are getting. What we are getting? We are getting a character. We are getting a character from dash. कहां से आप निकाल रहे हो एक कैरेक्टर? फ्रॉम द स्ट्रिंग. बट स्ट्रिंग में तो बहुत सारा कैरेक्टर है, कौन सा कैरेक्टर निकाल रहे हो आप? गिवन इंडेक्स पोजीशन. These are the key terms. Okay, using this you will create your own definition. It allocates the character in a string. Wrong answer. Allocate means it is providing, it is giving. Swati, given when we want to extract a character from the string at a given position, position and index position both are different. Position, index position both are different. Swati Prem. That's why I'm saying that use your own name, join with your own name so that I can alter your name rather than your parents' name. Okay. I think Swati Prem, क्या नाम बोला था आपने? Index position. Index position meaning, okay, I'm telling you. Index position meaning any string begins with an index position 0. That means which position it is pointing to is called index position. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. Like this it will move on. Got it? What do you mean by index position? But when I am talking about position, it is first position, this is second position, this is third position. So position and index position both are different. Don't try to mix up these things. Okay, this method is used to get a character at a parameter index position from a string. So from the definition, already few candidates has given the answer. Akars, yes, got it, Akars. Already few candidate has given the answer. This method helps us to accept a character from a given position by the user. It takes a character as a parameter. Ayusman, incomplete. It takes a character as a parameter or is it returns? What exactly? Ayusman, change your answer. It takes only one parameter which is of type integer missing. Its return type is character. Okay. So parameter, it takes one parameter. The parameter is of type integer which is already specified above in the syntax also. Because index position we have seen, index position is a number. So obviously the parameter must be of type number. It is returning a extracting a character. That means obviously its return type will be a character. Everyone understood? Hope I am clear to everyone to create the definition. Return type of the method is character. Look at over here, again I am repeating. Because the index position is of type integer and I am providing an index position to this method. Because of that reason, its parameter is of type integer. Because it is extracting a character, so its return type must be character. Okay, quickly give your confirmation. Understood everyone? So that we'll take the examples. Okay, good. Start. As I said that this is string constant, I can call the method with the help of string constant also. So that's why string constant dot charAt. Do not forget that char at A is capital. That's why I'm always emphasizing the students to follow naming convention. Sir, can you repeat the point related to index position? Okay, I will repeat it again. I will repeat it again. I was telling, follow the naming convention. Follow the naming convention. Because of the naming convention, only A is capital, charAt, which will help you to remember the things. Okay, let me explain you again regarding index position. The index position begins from 0 and the next subsequent character 1 added to the previous one. So if the first one is 0, next one is 1, next one is 2, next one is 3, next one is 4, and space is your 5. Like this, we have to provide the index position. And here the index position is given 2. So that means at 2 position I am having the character A. So that's why my output will be A. Let me see how many of you have given A. Okay. Still some of the student has misunderstood the answer. Now you understood why your answer is A. Everyone understood why your answer is A. Few candidate has given Y. Few candidates given more than one alphabet. More than one alphabet is not possible at all because its return type is character. Yes. So do not commit mistake for the next question. Next one. Here I'm using object. St is equal to try this. St.char at 4th position, where 4 is an index position and index position starts from 0. Index position starts from 0. Space is also counted. So few candidates given space. Someone is saying T. Someone is saying space. T of the word this. Okay. T. Pragjyoti T of this. Okay. T is including space. Swagat Kumar hota wrong answer. Because its return type is character, it will return one character. It cannot return more than one character. Swagat. Excellent. Good answer. Good answer. Look at over here. What is the index position of the first T? 0. R 1. Y 2. Space 3. This T 4. We'll stop over here. I don't need any more. It is asking for 4th index position. I got the 4th index position. So the answer will be T, not space. Understood? Sir, after counting space, I want to mean. Okay. Yes, everybody has understood. So let's move for another one. Anirudh Kumari. Anuradha. Okay. Now, who has given this error? Siddharth Sahu. This is your first answer, Siddharth Sahu. May I know your class? One more candidate, Manjusri Mahanti. This is your first answer. May I know your name? Runtime error, string out of bounds exception error because there are 8 characters. Dikshita error, E error, no character on 14. Okay. Logical error, syntax error. My name is Amit Sahu, class 10. Okay. Runtime error, string out of bounds index position error. Okay. Acha Sthiti, Manjusri Mahanti. That is the problem that you are generating for me. I'm just keeping a track of the students and your performance. According to your performance, I'm designing these questions for you. If you will not join with your original name, it will be difficult for me to keep a track of your improvement. Because of that reason, I'm saying join with your name. Okay, let me explain. Ansita Sahu 3. It cannot be an integer, Ansita. Okay, let me see that how many characters are there first of all. 1, 2, space is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total we have 8 characters inside this. Can we get 14 index position? No, we cannot. Because of that reason, it will generate an error message. That error message is called string, because we are dealing with the string. Where the problem arises, index position. Why it is arise? Because we are going out of the boundary. So that's why out of bounds. This is known as your exception. So it will generate a runtime error. This is your runtime error. And the error name is string index out of bounds exception. Again, I am repeating, it will generate a runtime error. Sometime you will get MCQ where you will have syntax error, logical error, runtime error, and none of this. So we must know whether it is a syntax error, whether it is a logical error, or whether it is a runtime error. We must sure about this. Then only we can able to answer everything. Sir, I mean 3 error. Okay, I got it. Next method is indexOf. IndexOf. This method is used to get the first occurrence. I'm underlining again the key points. First occurrence. What is this first occurrence? Let me give an example. Here in this word character, A is available 1, 2 times. But out of these two, which one is first occurrence? This one is your first occurrence. This one is your second occurrence. Hope I'm clear with this. Everyone has understood what do you mean by first occurrence? Okay. Now in this case, we have two E's. This E is the first occurrence. This is your first occurrence. So let me clear this and I will underline it again. The first occurrence it is providing of the parameter character. From where? Obviously it is from string because the method is belongs to string. Okay. Ayushi Pradhan. No sir, I cannot understand. Okay. I am explaining you again. Suppose the word is named as parameter. The word is given parameter. I want to find out the occurrence of E. How many times E is available? I'm underlining it with different color so that you can understand. E is available. Look at this. E is available 2 times. 1 time and 2 time. Out of these two, which one is first occurrence? This one is your first occurrence. First E is called first occurrence. Okay. Now understood everyone? because this is most vital. Beta, first occurrence is most vital. First occurrence is most vital. Yes, everyone is saying understood because we have two E's, out of which this one is my first occurrence. Okay. This method returns the index position of the character. Obviously, I am giving what I am giving over here. I am giving a character. What it is providing? Its first occurrence, the alphabet E first occurrence. That means obviously it is going to return the index position. What is going to return? Index position. What is an index position? Index position is in form of integer. So return type will be an integer. Got everyone? Can you create the syntax? From this definition, create the syntax. Create the syntax. From the definition, try to create the syntax. Again, I am repeating. Method name is indexOf. As per the naming convention, index. As per the naming convention, index. O is capital. As per the naming convention. Got it? After that, it takes a parameter of type character. It is returning the index position of this character. So obviously the return type will be your integer. So create the syntax of your own. Okay, we got the syntax. Nice. Int index of empty parenthesis is wrong, Sitaram. Int index of string object dot index of char. What about return type niyati? Okay, int index of char. Excellent. First answer, correct answer given by Ayushman Sahu from 9th class. Int variable is equal to this dot index of f. Wrong answer, Swagat. Left hand side is syntax, right hand side is example. Swagat, wrong answer. Because left hand side you have given syntax, right hand side you have given example. Int index of char. Correct answer. I think 9th class, Arnav has given the correct answer. 9th class students are giving correct answer. Good. Vaishali. Int index of char. Right answer. Pragjyoti. Right answer. IUC Pradhan. Wrong answer. Missing parameter. Why don't you find out the error of others? Those who are giving correct answer, you can also find out the error of others. Arundhati. Anuradha. Int index of char. Correct answer. Aswit. Correct answer. OD legend. Correct answer. Index of char. Ansita. Correct answer. Soham Tripathi. Int index of char. Correct answer. Subhranshu. Correct answer. Rajesh. Correct answer. Character constant we cannot write. We can give character variable also. Rajesh. It can be a character constant. It can be a variable also. And Soumya Ranjan. Okay. Int. That's why I'm saying that use join with your own name. Int index of char. Yes. Correct answer, Charan. Siddharth. Correct answer. Sir, semicolon is missing. Ayushman. Int index of char. Int index of char. Because some other institute students are joining, there it has not been taught to them to put semicolon. So I am ignoring all those things. Understood, Ayushman? Other institute students are joining also in this platform and it is not taught to them in their institute to put semicolon. So that's why I am also ignoring. Int index of char, index of char, int variable, int is variable index of char equals to index of char, semicolon, semicolon. Now you are putting semicolon. Okay. of O should be capital. Correctly pointed out. Vaishali, correctly pointed out. That's why I'm emphasizing the student. Now you can realize both ninth and 10th student. Why I was always telling you, follow the naming convention when you are writing your program, so that you will not commit mistake in the 10th class, where maximum students will forget to make this one capital and you people will make it capital, because I have strictly told you to follow the naming convention while writing the program. How many of you are agree with me? I was strict to you to follow the naming convention. Now, how many of you feels that in 10th class it will reduce the error? Give your confirmation. How many of you are convinced with me? I was forcing you to do, but you used to tell that sir लोअर केस में लिखोगे तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता, इट इज नॉट शोइंग एरर मैसेज, आप लोग बोल रहे थे. अब आप थोड़ा मुझे आप बताओ, मैं सही था कि आप सही थे? Okay, so let's see. It returns -1. Another most important point, it returns -1. When it is going to return -1? If the character that I'm looking for is not available. Again, I'm double underlining this one. If it is not available, if the character is not found in the string, then it will return -1. For example, I am looking for, my string is parameter. Where is my cursor? Let me see. Yes. Suppose this is my string. Okay. I am looking for Q. Index position of Q, where Q is not available in this string. Look at this. Q is not available. In that case, it will return -1. Hope I am clear to everyone. Not error. No error. Understood this point? Everyone understood this point? But why -1? Because the starting index position is 0 beta. Starting index position is 0. Before this, negative index position is for not found. But in positive, I cannot give because I don't know how many characters are there. At runtime, I cannot tell how many characters are there. So because of that reason, it is negative. Understood? Who has asked this question? OD. I will be happy. Whatever question you will ask, I am ready to explain you. For because already I told you, for everything there is a reason. There is a reason for everything. Okay. So let's move. Syntax is int, obviously, because it returns the position, index position of the given parameter character, and we know that index position is of type integer. So that's why its return type is integer. Method name is indexOf, and obviously I'm going to pass a character to find out its index position. Okay, these are the explanation. You can quickly go through this. It takes one parameter. The parameter is of type character. Return type of the method is integer. Now, if everybody has understood everything, can we go for question answer? Okay, everyone is ready for the question answer. Let's start. Let's start. Question is available in front of you. क्या 4-2 डिफरेंट आंसर आ रहा है? 4-2 डिफरेंट आंसर क्यों आ रहा है? What if the character is not in the string? It has already been told you. Mohit, it has already been told you. If the character is not available, it will return -1. It is already told you. I have already uttered this one. Because the first appearance of I is at 4. I want to know your name again. OD. Can you send me your name again? Nice explanation given by you. Nice explanation. I want to know your name again. Really nice answer given by you. Okay. Because it's first occurrence. Index of, already I have explained first occurrence of I. This is 0 position. This is 1 position. This is 2 position. This is 3 position. And this is 4 position is the first occurrence. Even though I'm having one more I over here, I'm not going to consider this one. I'm not going to consider this one because it says that first occurrence, where the first occurrence is this one. So because of that reason, answer is 4. Now this is most vital, first occurrence. Yes sir, I am Arnav from Nice Joseph. Okay Arnav, good answer. I forgotten to give you like. I like your answer. Arnav, no? Yes, Arnav. Being a ninth class student, I really appreciate your answer. I never forget to appreciate the students, those who are performing well. Because these are the appreciation which will boost you to answer more. You will get encouraged to give more answer. Your academic will improve. Okay, string st is equal to, try this, st dot index of t. Index of the character t. Question number 2. Yes, we got the answer. Excellent. Beautiful. Now we got explanation also. 0 because t is present. Good, good. Good, 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 good. Even Pragjyoti is also explaining as the first t appears at the zeroth index position. Look, one candidate started and others are following. That is the benefit of live class. One student can inspire so many students. One student can inspire so many students. Others are following you, and look at this. Others are following you. Others are also giving the answer with explanation. Okay, we got 0. Next one. Next question is in front of you where I'm using the string object. -1. Subhranshu, the first candidate to give the answer. -1 as M is not available. My intention that you should quickly give the answer. And one of the candidate called, I think, what is your name? What is your name? What is your name? Subhranshu. Subhranshu is really fulfilling the real requirement of the life class because intention that in examination you will answer more faster than any other student with a real solid answer. Harshit Patra -1 because the index position of M is not available. Okay. Okay, good. -1 because the lowercase m is not in the string, and in case this method it returns -1 if not found because Java is case sensitive. Yes, correct answer. Everyone has given the correct answer. It's -1. Okay. Now let me take you towards the Java screen. Now here I am using string. Check this demo. Yes, it is available. Check this demo. I'm using a for loop for int c is equal to 0. C is less than equals to st dot length c plus plus. Let me reduce this. Let me reduce this. Check this small one, or else we'll do like this. This is very small one I have taken. C plus plus system dot out dot print C. Find out the output. Now a little bit tough we'll do. This is 2 marks question. Earlier we discussed 1 mark question. Now we are discussing 2 mark question. Output. In board examination, previous questions will carry 1 marks, and here it will carry 2 marks. Output 8. Output 0, 1. Okay. Okay, I will say that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, correct answer is given by Swagat Kumar Hota, Usman Sahu 028. Yes. Mohit, correct answer. Subramsu, correct answer. Arnav, correct answer. Look, 9th class students are giving correct answer. Few 10th class student is giving wrong answer. Rajesh 9. Okay. C value at end is equal to 8. Good. Okay. Look at this. We are getting 0 to 8 because st dot length will give us number of characters, where the number of characters in this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and dot is 8. So obviously it is going to generate 0 to 8. I am using C, that's why I am going to get 0 to 8. Understood everyone? Those who have given wrong answer, have you understood this? st dot char at C position. Now the output. Next question is in front of you. What will be the output? I have changed this part. Quick beta, it is already 9:30 and I took a lot of classes today. I am tired. So I will not take much classes. Output is -1, -1, -1. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. ओके, थोड़ा टफ कर दिया तो आंसर गलत आ रहा है. Notice wrong answer, -1. What is the return type of charAt? आपका नंबर कैसे आ रहा है? आपका नंबर कैसे आ रहा है आप लोगों का? -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. आपका नंबर कैसे आ रहा है? ओ ब्यूटीफुल, नाउ वी गॉट अ राइट आंसर फ्रॉम फ्यू कैंडिडेट्स. राजेश, स्वागत, करेक्ट आंसर. Subhranshu Patra, correct answer. Ayushman Sahu, correct answer. Only this much of candidate has given correct answer. Look at this, it's going to generate an error. Can you see the error I am showing you? This is an output, the previous one. But look at over here, this is an error. Exception, string index out of bound exception. Can you able to see the error? Hope the error screen is visible to you. This is the previous output. Don't go for this one. This is the previous output. In console, we are having previous output. It is not related to this. This one is your error. Sir, I have given, please check. It has already been checked and told. It has already been checked and told. It's going to generate an error over here. The reason behind is, look at this, st.length. What is the length? We have already seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Length is 8. So length is 8. So the C is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All are true. I am terminating this one. Just hold on. These all are true. When it is saying 0 position, it will display T, 1 position H, 2 position I, 3 position S, 4 position space, 5 position I, 6 position S, 7 position dot. We don't have any character at 8 position. That's why string index out of bound exception. But if I am going to remove this, I am saying length, instead of length, I am saying 3. What will be my output? What will be my output? I have changed this one to 3. Quickly, I have changed this one to 3. Okay, beautiful. Correct answer. String S capital. Yes. THI. Is it going to include S? It is less than 3, not less than equals 2. That means it will generate 0, 1, 2. It will generate the index position 0, 1, 2. If it is 0, 1, 2, it is 0, 1, and 2. THI. Where T must be capital. Few candidates has given T in lowercase. T lowercase is wrong. T lowercase is wrong answer. Because here T is in capital letter. T is in capital letter. Now I have changed the condition. I have changed the condition. Check this one. Give your answer. Output. Condition is changed. According to the condition, give your answer. THIS space I. Runtime error, string index out of bound exception. Why, Ayushman? Can you explain? Ayushman, can you explain the reason for the error? THIS. THIS. Think again and give the answer. What are the index position that it is going to generate? What is st.length minus 1? st.length is 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. That means it will generate the index position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because it is saying less than 5. Less than 5 means 4. Now let's count. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means this with space. That means this with space. Look at this. I'm just removing this one. This with a space after this. Can you able to see the space? Can you able to see the space? This with space we are going to get the answer. No T will come. Why you are putting semicolon at the end of your answer? Why you are putting semicolon at the end of the answer? I am surprised. Do not put semicolon. Sir, I can't understand. Okay, Prabhanjan. That's why I used to say that 9th and 10th class, be comfortable with the dry run. Be comfortable with the dry run. So let me check. I'm doing it again. What is your st.length, Prabhanjan? You might have not understood that one. What is st.length? st.length is equal to, Prabhanjan, quickly send your answer. Or everyone can send your answer. st.length. Okay. Quickly send your answer. What do you mean by st.length? Especially Prabhanjan, quickly send your answer if you are asking the doubt. You might have not understood what is length. Yes, correct answer is 8 because number of character 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8. Now what do you mean by st.length minus 3? st.length minus 3 which is equal to 5. Now the condition will apply with C. We'll do the dry run. C is equal to 0. C is st.length minus 3, that is 5. 0 is less than 5. Condition is true. Now I'll come over here. st.char at C position where C is 0. What is the alphabet available in 0? T. So my output will be T. After that C++. C is 1. 1 is less than 5. Condition true. I will get inside. st.char at which position? 1 position because C is 1 now. What is the 1 position character? H. So that's why it will display H. Next, C++. C is 2. 2 is less than 5. Condition true. Get inside. Char at 2 position. 0, 1, 2. 2 position contains I. It will display I. Then C++. C is 3. 3 is less than 5. Condition true. Char at which position? 3 position. 0, 1, 2, 3 contains S. It will display S. Now understood, Prabhanjan? Now understood, Prabhanjan and everyone. Those who don't know dry run, again I am suggesting everyone, do the dry run to get more score quickly. Okay, fine. For loop is changed. I am changing the for loop. I am changing the for loop. Concentrate on the for loop. Especially 10th class, concentrate on the for loop. 9th class, that's why every time I used to say that 9th class is more vital than 10th class. Now you can see quite clearly over here. Here we are applying the 9th class technique of dry run. Nothing else. Yes, sir, we are familiar with the dry run because of your help. Thank you. Don't need to say thanks, beta. It is my job of being a teacher. I will guide you in a proper way, beta. Not an issue. I will suggest that quickly do the dry run to give the answer. सबका आंसर क्या आ रहा है? डॉट के साथ आ रहा है ना, मुझे थोड़ा दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. Few candidates are not given dot. You might have not observed that we have a dot over here. Now I can see few candidate has given dot, few candidate has not given dot. Yes, I can see now dot is available, but still I will say that think again, do the dry run properly. Do the dry run properly. Quick beta. It is already 9:45. As I said that I'm getting tired. We have to finish. Only two candidates has given the correct answer. I'm not giving their name. Only two candidate has given the correct answer. It's error, which is runtime error. Quite simple that what is st.length? आप वहां पे गलती कर रहे हो बेटा. What is st.length? Now it is correct answer given by few candidates. What is st.length? Quick. Yes, correct answer. It is 8. That means what is the C initial value? C initial value is 8. 8 is greater than 0. Condition is true. st.char at 8 position. Character at 8 position. This is 0. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is 7. Where is your 8 index position? Where is your 8th index position? So that's why position and index position both are different. Position and index position both are different. Be careful before giving the answer. Everyone, I am suggesting this is not that much of easy to get the output. String, character, in all these cases, it is not that much of easy to give the answer. Think twice or thrice. Okay, now you are saying we got it. Good. Yes, yes, we got it. Yes. Yes, sir. Very important question. Uh, okay, because I'm tired today. Now, can we say good night? Pragjyoti, sir, cannot understand. Can you explain it again? Okay, let me explain you again. Pragjyoti, quickly give my answer. What I'm asking you. What is st.length? Pragjyoti. Pragjyoti, what is st.length? Quickly give me answer. What is st.length? Pragjyoti. Even I am saying thank you that today I got most of the correct answers. Most of the correct answers. Pragjyoti, quickly. But it is 950 beta. Pragjyoti. What is st.length? Okay, otherwise you do one thing. Pragjyoti, contact me tomorrow. I will explain you with the dry run. Or else give me what is the value of st.length to get the number of characters in a string. Yes, it is 8. Good. So what is the initial value of C? What is the initial of C? What is saying Swagat Ayusman? Sir told tomorrow morning we have. No, Ayusman, don't do all these things in this platform. Ayusman, all the students are available over here. Beta, don't do this in this platform. All are not our students. Ayushman, delete this. Ayushman, delete this. Okay. C initial value is 8. Got it? So 8 is greater than 0. Condition is true. I am saying st.charAt. Which position? Which position? Pragjyoti. नो नीड टू से सॉरी बेटा, आपको पता नहीं था आपने कर दिया, बट नेक्स्ट टाइम मत करना, ठीक है? सो charAt C, charAt 8 पोजीशन. प्रज्योति, कैरेक्टर एट 8 पोजीशन, कैरेक्टर एट 8 इंडेक्स पोजीशन क्या है बेटा? Index position begins from Pragjyoti is 0, so T is 0, H is 1, I is 2, S is 3, space is 4, space is 4, I is 5, S is 6, dot is 7. Nothing is there. We don't have 8th index position. We don't have 8th index position. Pragjyoti understood? Pragjyoti understood? Okay. Now it is real good night. Now it is really good night for all of you.